So pretty much this is what my husband bring when I tell him that I want corn. When I could have bought some corn from ShopRite or from one of the like urban stores or over in Lecky. He bring me this bag. The shuck corn is a good thing. I'm a Gen Xer and I do know how to do it. Shuck corn and to wash the silk off because of the dish that I'm about to prepare. So now I gotta shuck corn. and it's truly not even a thing about wanting to be like an African woman, want to be like this. No, if you know how to do these things from the U.S. and grew with the old ancestors, your great grandma and different ones like that, some of these things we automatically, as Black Americans, we know how to do. So this was one of the things I hadn't done in years, which is shuck corn and to remove the silk.